Hello everybody, Iggy here and welcome to this new online guitar lesson. Guys, today I would like to talk about how to improvise over modern blues. And modern blues can be seen as many different things because what it is exactly, right? So when we talk about blues, we always have in mind a style of music that is mostly composed by only three chords that we call the first, the fourth, and the fifth degree. Okay, so let's assuming that we have a blues in C. We're going to have three different chords that are the C7th, that are the F7th, and the G7th. Okay, so respectively, we are going to indicate these chords as a first degree, C7th, F7th is going to be the fourth degree, and the fifth degree is going to be the G7th. Okay, now I would like to record on my looper here a little backing track that we are going to use to explain all the concepts that I are going to explain you in this video. But before starting this lesson, please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can find all the tabs and the transcriptions on my Patreon page. You can subscribe there and sustain my channel and also have access to new content. So let's record a backing track that is based on these three chords, 3, 4. So when we talk about blues, we can apply first the classic choice, which is the pentatonic minor. So we are in C, okay, it's a C blues, and we can apply just the C minor pentatonic. It's a scale that would be composed by the notes C, E flat, and natural F, natural G, and B flat. Okay, so no matter what is the chord in which you're going to play over, this scale is gonna fit always perfectly. Let's see it together. So what we do right now is try to complicate this scale a little bit. So the first passage to, start from this point and let's say to improve the phrasing and make it sound a little bit more spicy will be to add a simple thing, which is the blue note. So whenever we are over the C minor pentatonic, we can apply this additional note that will be located one sharp fourth above C. So we're going to have this G flat or F sharp. That is going to be a chromatic passing tone that is called the blue note. Like that. And it's so magical because this blue notes always work in the way that defines the blues character. So whenever we are over a C blues, always we can have this alternance of major and minor. Okay, this is so beautiful, and it comes from the fact that we can actually apply also over C7, for example, this major C major pentatonic that will be defined by the note C, D, natural E, and G, and A. And at the same time, we can also add a chromatic note that would be the blues tone, in this case, the blue note for the major pentatonic. Then in this case will be the E flat or D sharp. So we're going to have. And the tricky part here is that we have to try to apply a major pentatonic or a major blues scale over each chord of the blues. And that's the second layer of difficulty that we're going to have over playing a blues, because we have to force ourselves to think all the notes. So the exercise that I suggest you to do is try to play over the 3 chords of the blues and try to apply a major blues scale for each single chord. Okay, let's see together the example. The third layer of difficulty will be to start to mix together the minor pentatonic and the major pentatonic together. Let's see it. So now we're gonna play differently and we're gonna search more colors that are way different from what we have been doing so far. So the first material, the first color and the first scale that pops to my mind is the hexagonal scale, also called the whole tone scale. So the scale is based always on full tones. So for example, if I start this scale from C, I'm gonna have C, D, natural E, but then F sharp and G sharp. And then, of course, the A sharp. Okay, so this is a scale that sounds like this. This scale is so cool because it comes from the fact that we're going to play over a 7th chord. So when we play a 7th chord like G7 for example, or C7, because we are on a C blues, we play over a chord that is always C, E, and G, and B flat. And this sounds totally crazy over a blues if we try to mix together the things that we did before. So it's like the pentatonics and the blues and minor scale with this type of new approach. It's gonna be a bit tricky and intense. It's very nice, isn't it? Because you have this inside type of approach and then suddenly, puff, you have something completely different, okay? So that's the first trick that I want to suggest you. So you use the whole tone scale. So there is another type of trick that I would like to suggest you, which comes from another type of very common scale, which is the tone semitone type of scale. Okay, so this scale is always based on this pattern: tone semitone, tone semitone. Okay, sounds very cool. Okay, scale. So let's see how this scale works over this backing track. Okay guys, it's everything I have for today. So if you like this lesson, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell of the notification to stay in loop for whenever I publish new content, and give me tons of likes and share this video with everyone you know. And I will see you all next week with another lesson. Also guys, please don't forget to get down in the comments and suggest me other lessons and other topics that you would like me to talk about. It would be very cool for me to understand exactly which is your taste and which are your needs, and try to go in your direction. In the meantime, you can also add me on Instagram and TikTok. I also love to connect with you also in these platforms, and I will see you all next time, and thanks for watching.